Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make chocolate fudgy brownies. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. First we need 50 grams of flour, 100 grams of cashew and 175 grams of sugar, 175 grams of butter and 40 grams of cocoa powder and 3 eggs and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I took little instant coffee. Those are the things we need for prepare this. You should prepare a baking tray like this. And preheat the oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Like this, put into a bowl and double boil it well. When this butter double boiling time, add this cocoa powder also. My water is boiling. Now I am keeping the bowl upon that and will double boil this butter. Yeah. Now okay, the butter is melted and we'll add the cocoa powder to that. And stir it. We'll off the fire and from the heat we'll mix to milk. Take off this ball aside and let it be cool. Add these 3 eggs and I grind it and powder it and add the sugar and beat it well. I beat well. Now we'll add this butter and the cocoa mixture and other all ingredients. I add the chocolate, cocoa powder and the butter mixture. Now I am adding the flour, after the cashew nuts, vanilla, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and instant coffee. Instant coffee I add on last. Mix from a palette. Fold it like this. Now okay. Take the baking tray. Fold. Tap like this 3 or 4 times and keep inside the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. In 180 degrees, bake for 30 minutes. For chocolate glaze, we need 250 grams of cooking chocolate and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of milk. Add this all together and double boil it and take. We'll see now how to double boil it. We'll add to a cup everything and we'll double boil it. Here I kept this ball to double boil that. In my pan boiling that water is. Now I kept that. Like this. Here's my chocolate glaze is okay. Now here's my baked cake, chocolate fudgy brownie. Here's my cool chocolate fudgy brownie. Now I am going to pour this chocolate glaze. After that, keep 1 hour and cut and serve. Refrigerated chocolate fudgy brownie. Now we'll cut and see how it is. Here's my chocolate fudgy brownie. Because this is very tasty, we are using a chocolate topping top of the brownie.